traffic disease, a plant-burning food that never reached the hungry were designed to decide, and 1 billion people the world forgot to include. These aren't just headlines, they are crises stacking up faster than we can solve in, in them. But something uh, is changed quietly. Recently, a new kind of intelligence is going to work on every single one of them, like OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, and other many AI. In the next 6 minutes, I will show you how these things work. Every year, doctor misdiagnose over 12 million patients in the U.S. alone, not because they careless or because the human eye has limit, and the human body doesn't forgive the mistake. So the newest AI that Google DeepMind built an AI that detects over 50 types of eye diseases, and with 95 accuracy, outperforming world-class or ophthalmologist. It's work under a second. Stanford AI diagnosed skin cancer from a smartphone photo as accurately as dermatologists with 20 years of experience. But isn't only a story about wealthy hospital with a million-dollar machines and system. AI is reaching the places medicine hasn't yet. A nurse in a rural Kenya with nothing but a tablet and Wi-Fi connection now has a diagnostic power of a teaching hospital. This isn't a future. It's already saving life right now. We are burning the planet to power a grid that wastes $20 billion in electricity annually because we can't predict demand perfectly, and meanwhile wildfires and are growing 800% faster than firefighters can respond until now, and the DeepMind AI increased wind turbine energy output by 20% by predicting wind patterns by 36 hours in advance. That's enough to clean electricity to power hundreds of thousands at home. And from thin air that was already there. And it's not just energy. The U.S. Forest Service is using artificial intelligence to predict the forest fires, and the U.S. Forest Service is using artificial intelligence to predict wildfire spread up to 72 hours early, giving communities time to evacuate and going to safety places, giving firefighters time to act. So in 2023, this system helped prevent over 4 million acres from burning. Over 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every single year. Meanwhile, 800 million people go to bed hungry every night. The problem isn't that we don't grow enough food in this world. The math is broken, I think, and during broken math starve people. And artificial intelligence powered drones now can scan entire farms in hours, in minutes, detecting diseases and problems in plants days before they visible to human eye. Describing the exact amount of water to fertilize for each square meter, and no more guessing or calculating, and no more waste. And now farmers in Africa, like in Kenya, in Congo, are achieving 30% better fields using a $5 cheap basic smartphone, like they're using satellite or supercomputers. They're using artificial intelligence AI powered advice in their own language tailored to their specific soil and land and specific season. From the robots strawberry pickers in Japan to vertical farms in Singapore, AI is rebuilding agriculture, agriculture from ground up and making it smaller and faster and less destructive in the process. So in 2020, while fake COVID, I don't know, fake COVID cure spread faster than the virus itself, the World Health Organization didn't just fight a pandemic, but it thought for an infodemic. Misinformation is now classified as one of the greatest threats to global public health. And AI tools detected a deep fake with a 98% accuracy, scanning for unnatural eyes, movement, pixels, inconsistent, mismatched audio waveform in milliseconds. The same technology that generates convincing fake faces and now being used to catch them. And it doesn't stop there. And it doesn't stop at detection. Artificial intelligence can now trace a viral claim back to its original source, identify the coordinated misinformation and disinformation campaign before they reach to critical mass. In the 2024 election cycle, AI-powered fact-checking tools flagged over 3 million false claims across 60 countries. The truth had new ally. 1 billion people, 1 in 8 human alive today, live with a disability for decades. The digital revolution promised to include everyone, but it didn't. Not anymore. AI now provides real-time caption in over 100 or more languages, and it reads facial expression and describe visual scenes for the visually impaired, like he cannot see, and it translates sign language as I use now, and sign language to text instantly so that a deaf person can communicate without interfere or for the first time in their life. For non-verbal children with autism, artificial intelligence communication tools are opening language for the first time, not later, not in research lab, right now, in living room, in classroom, and around the world. And technology that finally speaks everyone's language. The healthcare, climate, food, truth, and conclusion. 5 crises, 5 breakthroughs, and we've just begun. And AI isn't replacing doctors or farmers, journalists or firefighters. It's giving them something they never had, a partner that never gets tired, never loses focus, and get smarter every day, every single year, single day. The question was never whether AI would take the word it already has. The real question is whether we will use it wisely, whether we'll make sure its benefits reach everyone, not just privileged few. That part, that's still up to us. And that's what I have to say. And wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.